All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So we're gonna see what we remember. All right. Okay, let's start with the story problem. Can you give me a story some more story problem? Some more story problem. Yes, Asa? No, like write it down. Were you going to tell it to me?
Yeah, I was gonna tell you the sentences.
Oh no, I want you to write it down. We kind of getting refreshed. We had a week off. So yeah, write down a some more story problem. All right, let's go ahead and go over some of those. Let's share a few. Braylon, what you got? Some more. Tom has 7 cookies. Mom gave him 7 more. 7 plus 7 is 14. Good. Asa, what you have?
Sam has 10 apples. He picked 10 more.
Good. Sam has 10 apples. He picked 10 more. 10 plus 10 is 20. And Cairo?
Mr. Tip had 14 students in his class. 2 students came into his class.
Okay, he had 14 students in the class. 2 more came. Now he has 16. Good. All right, let's do a some went away. Some went away story problem. Let's go ahead and share some. Some went away. David? Mm-hmm.
5 minus 2 equals 3.
Good. He had 5 apples. He ate 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, Michael?
I had 3 balls. I lost 1 ball.
I had 3 balls. I lost 1 ball. 3 minus 1 is 2. Good. Okay, yeah, but it's not the same preg. Okay, so say yours.
I had 3 apples. I gave 1 apple to Mom. 3 minus 1 equals 2.
Okay, good. All right, next one. This is gonna be interesting. Can you count by tens with 7? Count by tens with the number 7. Let's see who
7.
remembers. No,
7.
like write it down. Write it down. Yeah.
Now remember this. Oh, 5. I was giving my thing. Well, maybe you was giving it on the wrong side. Well, it was by you, so I
Yo,
It's a human. I'm scared. What did that say? I just I don't remember the whole thing. Every time I come back to school, one day, I remember the whole thing too.
Okay. All right, let's see what we got. Let me hear. Count it out. So counting by tens with 7. Let's hear.
7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97.
All right, good. Okay, another one. Let's count by tens with 2. 2. All right, let's hear you counting by tens with 2. So 2,
12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92.
all right, awesome. Good job. Okay, good. All right, so okay, let's do the next part. Before we get our lesson today is pretty simple, so I just want to kind of refresh us on some things. All right, so as you can see, I have a circle up here. We're gonna draw a clock, so you can do that on your paper. Draw a circle big enough to where you can place your numbers. Don't do it too small where you won't be able to place your numbers the correct way. So just make sure you put it how, you know.
I hope your masters go like this. So I can have more space. Every time I do mine, you don't have enough space.
Wait, mine don't have enough space. Stop the 8, bro. It's perfect.
But she's in the wrong way.
I know, and I had just said, y'all, come on. Are y'all really about to start this? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start numbering mine, and you can follow behind to number yours. So remember, guys, we always start with 12 first. 12 is our top number. Then we go ahead and put the rest. Make sure you're going all the way across. You don't want all your numbers to be on one side. Space them out good.
That's what I was supposed to do.
Okay, here we go. So we number it.
I'm gonna get my clock. A big face clock.
Oh my gosh. I messed up the clock. So I need to redo it.
I want my big face clock. See? Big clock.
She looks like a sheep.
Listen, I get another sequel to do. I finally need the big face clock. That is not a big face clock.
Yeah, you also made a sheep clock.
Yeah, that's why I need to make my big face clock smaller. For me,
Bigger than the sun.
Oh my god. Mine's this good.
Face.
I did a giant big.
Number.
Me too. Mine is wrong. I just want to
Alright.
I'm not done with
Alright.
mine.
Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and add part 2. Okay, part 2. So I'm about to erase part 1, so if you didn't finish, you'll just have to kind of go back to the Zoom. So let's go ahead and go to part 2. Okay. So on our clock, we're gonna do 5:30.
Easy.
I'm done. Half past 5. Easy. Number 2. Look at you. You can't
Okay. 5. So what should that look like? So where should my long hand be? On what?
The 6.
Good. The 6. And where should my hour hand be?
On the 5.
Good. And what time is that?
That's half past.
5 what? 5:30. Good. Awesome. All right. Okay. So that's good for our notebooks right now. Let's go ahead and cover the rest of what we're doing on the board.
It looks like nobody don't know this time. But I don't know this time. Excuse me. 5:30. That's my time. That's my time. What's 9, 10? What's half past 20? What's half past 20? I just can't. What am I? Michael. What?
Okay. All right. So 53 plus 44. Okay, Kendall, how do we start adding this? We start where? In the what? Okay, so we do plus, and that equals 3 plus 4 is 7, and then we do our front numbers. 5 plus 4 equals 9, 97 cents. Guys, don't forget to do our cent sign on our test. Some of us are forgetting the cent sign. Make sure to put it if it's there. Next, we have 61 cents plus 27 cents. Kairos, add it up for us.
7 equals 8.
1 plus 7 is 8.
6 plus 2 equals
8.
9.
8. 88 cents. Awesome. All right, guys, so we are going to learn how to combine all 3 of the coins that we've learned so far together. What's important is knowing how to identify each coin, okay? So we know the penny is brown. Well, it's not going to be brown in your book, but it's brown. We know the dime will be the smallest and the nickel will be the largest, okay? If the coin is facing the back, I told you look for it. It will say either 1 cent, 1 dime, or it will say 5 cents. It will tell you. You just have to pay attention to it whenever you write it in your book, okay? I'll show you what's a better way to do it is to divide it with the lines. Like I show you how to count with the line. That's the best way to do it so that when you're counting, you don't just keep counting the same thing, but that you know how to shift your counting. So remember, a penny is worth how much? 1 cent.
1 cent.
By ones, a dime is worth
10
cents. We count by tens, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. We count by 5. So let's go ahead and practice a few. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with practicing with 1.
Practicing with 1. Easy. Oh, easy peasy.
Okay, so if you see here, I have 3 dimes, 3 nickels, and a penny. Okay, so first thing I'm doing, I'm going to divide. So my dimes, let's put a line to divide. My nickels. So this is the best way to do it to help you break down the coins. Instead of just having it all together, you could maybe mistake in some coins and mix them up. So it's best to kind of divide like this. So now we'll start with our 10. So that's 10, 20, 30. Now we're going to shift to 5s. So when counting by 5s, after 30, we say 35, 40, 45. Then from 5s, we have this 1. So from 45, we say
46.
how much? 46 cents. See, look at that. A state.
Excuse me, Miss Prudence.
Y'all don't see me again because I'm in the middle of trying to teach. You big stinky shit. All right, let's do some more. Okay, so we'll have 2 dimes, 6 nickels, and 2 pennies. Let's divide it. So we split our 10s and our 5s. Okay, so let's start counting it. 1 second. All right, so 10, 20. Now look at that. We're going to jump to 5s. So from 20, we're going to say 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and then we go to 1, 51, 52, 56. Good. All right.
That's easy. That's easy.
All right, let me put one up. All right, let's put another one, and I want you to try this one.
You guys do it together. The whole class.
Okay, so we'll put our dimes.
Some people think big one, small. 6.
All right, so I have 4 dimes, 6 nickels, and 3 pennies. Look at it. Okay, count it to yourself. Let's see. I want you to just try on your own first before we count it together. Don't say the answer out loud. Count it by yourself. Start with your 10s, then start counting by 5s, and then go into 1s, just like we did here. Don't say it out loud, please.
Oh, Elijah said it. And you did like
Okay.
I know what it is.
Me too. This is easy. I'm going to win this game. Forget. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's hear some answers. What you got?
73.
Okay, 73. Anybody has anything different from 73? Different. You have a different answer? Different. When I say different, I mean it's not 73. So everybody has 73? All right, let's see. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, then 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73. Yep. All right, so good. So guys, it's really just going to be important because our book does not have it in color. You just have to pay attention to the coin, the size of the coin, look at the wording on the coin to help you figure out what the amount is, okay? All right, go ahead and get out your letters book. I think we're on page 84 in your cursive letters book. 84. Page 84.
Dude, what if you join this one, dude? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 87, 88, 89, 90. Because we almost done with our book. The one, the last one, the oh no, we almost done. We got
All right, let's see. It was 84? Yeah. All right, you can go ahead and begin, guys. Page 84. I'll give you a few minutes. Take your time. Form your letters. Make sure it's neat. Okay, so this week in writing, we are going to form sentences, but we're also going to do what's called topic sentences. So this week we're going to learn the 4 seasons and we're going to write sentences about the seasons. But what's key is knowing how to write the proper details with the proper season, right? So you'll have a season, but you have to make sure when you're writing a sentence about the season that you're writing things that are actually a part of that season, right? You don't want to say, oh, it snows in the summer. That's not right, right? So that's what we'll focus on this week, writing sentences with our seasons, but knowing how to stay on topic when writing the sentences with the seasons, okay? So we have 4 different seasons. Does anyone know the seasons? What are the 4 seasons? Give me one. Summer, fall or autumn, spring and winter. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Those are the 4 seasons. So let's talk about our first one because the year starts off with winter. So what are some things that we notice in the winter? In the winter, what goes down in the winter? Asa?
Snow.
It snows. It's cold and it snows. We know that. Cold, snow. What else happens in the winter? Okay, cold, snow, it's icy. What happens to the plants? Not in the winter. They already fell. They die. The plants die in the winter. That's why the trees are bare. The trees don't have anything on them.
It's
okay?
The same thing.
Yep. So in the winter, we know it's cold, it's snowy, it's ice, plants die. That's the winter. When winter is over, we're going to enter into our next season, which we actually will have in a couple of weeks. That is spring. Okay? So spring, what goes on in the spring?
It's
not in the spring. Okay? Yep, flowers go. So it's warm. It's sunny in the spring. The sun starts to come back out more. Plants start to grow back. Okay, so in the spring, it's warm, it's sunny, we get more sun now, and the plants will grow back. After spring, we go into our next season where we're out of school, and that is the summer. So it's hot, very hot in the summer. More sun. No school.
No school, baby.
No school in the summer. And people take vacations in the summer, right? That's vacation time, summertime. You can take vacation anytime, but you know, some people do it in the summer. And then after summer, we come back to school. Summer starts to end, and then we go into the fall. Fall is our next season. It's cool in the fall. The leaves fall off trees. Leaves fall. The leaves change colors. Okay. All right. So it's cool. The leaves fall and the leaves change colors. So these are our 4 seasons, and these are things that happen within our seasons. Write this down. All right. So tomorrow we'll start to form sentences that will fit each season. Okay. So that's it for our morning part of our Zoom. We'll meet back later for phonics and language and spelling and reading. Okay. All right, Asa. See you later. Bye-bye.